Today we're going to tell you something about introducing the macrolophus, for introducing the Enemix Ancarsia and Eretmoceres by parasiting the whitefly. This week we introduced the macrolophus by miracle from Corporate Biological. We hang this kind of cards on the plant, and then the macrolophus can spread all over the plants. And the macrolophus is going to search for whiteflies, or for spiders, or for Tuta absoluta. Up till now we don't have all those diseases, but preventive we started with introducing Eretmoceres and Ancarsia and introducing macrolophus. Now the light is getting a little better. It's January now. We can start with introducing biological populations by detecting the whitefly and the other parasites. As you can see on my left hand, you see roller traps we introduced several months ago when we started this new crop, because then it was too difficult to introduce populations of parasites. Now the days are getting a little longer, it's easier. Here the roller traps are still in between the plants to catch as much possible whitefly and other parasites. Up here in the line where we introduce macrolophus, we shove the roller trap as high as possible so we don't lose macrolophus onto the roller trap, because the sticky trap and we lose macrolophus. On my left hand side you see the sulfur evaporator we use for detecting powdery mildew. But now we stop with the evaporator because the introduction of macrolophus I don't need the evaporation, because they don't like sulfur, and therefore for introducing macrolophus we stop with the sulfur evaporation. We don't have powdery mildew, so that's good, so we can stop for a while. As I told you, today or this week we introduced the macrolophus, but the former weeks we introduced the Enemix with Ancarsia and Eretmoceres, also to help us detect whiteflies. Every week we bring in, for this 1500 square meter, 15,000 mix Enemix, so help to build a population of Enemix, Eretmoceres, and from now on macrolophus. Now that we introduced the macrolophus, but we haven't got that much whitefly, we have to feed the macrolophus. So in a minute I'm going to start with putting in entofood, so the macrolophus has some food compare with no whiteflies. If there is enough whitefly or spiders, then we don't need to give them entofood. But for now we introduce entofood because he has to live on entofood till we have whitefly. Okay, that was the promotion for this week. Thanks for watching and see you next time.